YouTube. I got a package in the mail yesterday, but the problem is I am doing a quick unboxing right now. But let's see what's in the package. See, it's a lot easier when you get it to cut open. But not always. The reason why I'm facing the box the other way because I have some information I don't want anybody to see. Alright, that is some other information. You don't need to see that. Some packing material like airbags. This is my Kodak 5-volt AC adapter for my Kodak Z981, and it'll work with different things too, but it's pretty cool. But let's see what's in the package. I open up the top. We look inside the box. You get the straight plug like you normally get. Move that over there. But let's see what else is in this little package. It is just a normal wall socket. Well, for the wall socket. But it also has some instructions, or should I say, instruction guide to how to use it. But I already know how to use it. I may not need it. But here is my AC power supply for my camera. Alright, now you do with this piece, you stick it on this one end, you snap it in. Just like that. You plug this in your camera, and you plug it in your wall. Alright, this is Chris signing off. This is a quick unboxing. Alright, peace y'all. Bye.